If you don't know about Vanessa Gyimah, you're sleeping under a rock. She's got the best video production. We're gonna do both the base and the eyeshadow because she does some really cool eyeshadows. Queen is amazing, flawless. She color corrects a lot, but she really doesn't need to. Right, to use her palette from Juvia's Place. She doesn't do the bright eye. The final look, her look, it's always glowy, it's always juicy, it's always fire. So the only picture I can see like how she did this is an old picture even, but we're just gonna follow this base because this is how I did my brows, somewhat similar to hers. I know I don't do my brows like this, but I just thought let me do them, and they're also kind of shaping me still. Was this underpainting? I want to do it proper full coverage, and I've been loving the Makeup Revolution IRL filter. You see how that's just my match. This is like a very full coverage foundation, and in UK we're not really experiencing any summer, so baby we go with whatever is there. I'm gonna be using my curve case in the shade D. Went like this on the forehead. So it's the same here, even though I can't see it's not curved, it's just straight. Her lip with the jawline, I can't see though. I don't think anyone contours like this anymore. And then she goes like this. This could go really bad real quick because I don't even think she does things like this anymore, but I could not find a video where she's actually does it have to be like straight? Okay, let's just try to get it straight. Okay, I just seen a video where she was doing her makeup and she didn't do all these extra things because I think that video is so old. So we're just gonna blend the contour. Oh my gosh, look at that. Let's blend that contour. This is supposed to make your thingy sharper, but I don't do this. I only do this with setting powder. But nowadays I see her using like a powder puff. She did go on live and she was mostly blending with a powder puff, so we're gonna blend this concealer with a powder puff. In my powder puff, and I'm spraying it a little. Great skin. Her makeup is good. She's very like creative and that, so let's blend this concealer. It's a lot. So lifting that concealer, and I'm going in with the brush. I know she doesn't, but I'm just gonna make sure that's blended. She rarely does like extreme bright under eyes. Like she doesn't really do that. Highlighted, but it's not bright. And when she sets, sometimes she sets with like a powder puff or those sponges. Look at the eye art. I don't think I can do that. This is how we're looking so far. I don't know, are we blended out to the core or what? Just make sure there is no harsh lines or nothing like that. Just make sure everything is blended. Setting with the soft focus powder from H&B Cosmetics. I have not set with the banana powder in a very long time. I really feel like I'm wrecking my head here, just trying to figure out what eyeshadow or what I should do from here. But I'm gonna go with the orangey look she has got on. Like here, I like the oranginess of it. I'll put the picture literally next to me. You just might not be able to see it. So we're gonna go back in normal mode because girl, it's so hard to like follow your stuff because you don't have like a full whatever. So yeah, let's carry on with the picture right next to me. So with that, so I'm gonna go in with this blush from It's Only Right to use her palette from Juvia's Place, which I still am obsessed with. And why is this in the shot? Like Gosh, this is so stunning. I forgot how stunning this is. I wonder if she still dips in her palette, where she usually focuses on her kind of inner, like you can still see the blush. She really likes a lifted kind of look, so that's what I'm gonna do. I do also kind of like, no, kinda, I like to play around with my blush anyway. Okay, we're also gonna go back with that palette, but we're gonna prime our lids with the Rimmel London. So it's like an orangey eyeshadow. It's really nice and summery. I was gonna do the nude, but I was like, I'm always doing nudes, like let's not do that. She likes to set. I usually just use it like that, like I don't usually set my concealer. The one that I use as a primer, I just go in for the kill, but she sets it because that also acts as a bronzer. It's called BCG. She's got more space on her lids compared to me, so I just have to work with how my lids are, but it's gonna be the same look. But obviously because we have different lid shapes, it's not gonna be exactly the same. So I'm just packing that brown on the lid just to make sure that it's really showing, because sometimes I'm super light with my eyeshadows. Down, I think she pulls it down to just make an outer corner. But I like that this color can be buildable, so it can come out dark. Go back with that orange, and I'm just gonna use, because Juvia's Place eyeshadows are really pigmented, I'm gonna just use it as a diffuser and on that brown, so that there's a bit of like dimension. So I'm just mixing this and that together to just create that kind of color she had, just where I put that brown in the crease. So we're going back with that Stush, and I think that's the one she used. Yes, baby, that's the one she used on her lids. I think she really does pull it up a little bit up to here. I don't think it's a cut crease, but I'm just gonna move it up. Okay, the orange actually moved a little bit in the inner corner, in a waterline, so I'm putting some of this as well under my eyes. Black in the waterline. She seems like she really pulls it in the like inner corner. She actually just pulls it down, so it just becomes somewhat smoky. Winged out her liner from the inner corner to the outer corner. But I ended up changing my hair, like how she somewhat did it, with the little bit of hair pieces just flowing down, and I've put my lashes. It's coming out, and I put this top. It's not the orange top she had on, but I thought, you know, because it's got a bit of orange, it's kind of going. I absolutely love this top. I need to get it in different colors because it's stunning. For bronzer, she has much more of a smaller forehead than me. I don't know, I absolutely love my forehead. I used to hate it, but I love it now. The Vitamin E Hydrating Mist. Can we see how it's calmed down? It's not ashy. What I like about this, it's also going down this bottle, is because it doesn't add too much. You know, some hydrating mists, they make your face greasy. This doesn't. It just pretty much snatches your face back together. I love how it's not too extra. It's really so subtle. You just think it's the glow from within, but she definitely has eyeliner on. She loves her blush, so we're just gonna add that blush there. My favorite part, hair and lip combos are always fire. So I was thinking to use Lip Shape from Makeup Revolution, Chiffon Nude, Spice from Makeup Revolution, Juicy Lip Tide. It's just the on top one, and I think we're gonna line our lips with a black and a brown. So she got some juicy lips. Then I'm going in with Makeup Revolution liquid lipstick called Glowy. Perfect. Then we're going in with Lip Shaper Chauffeur Nude. I think this is it. This is the perfect one. Her lip combos, she literally goes almost at the top. You don't see too much of a gradient. You can see it, but it's not extreme. Using the Makeup Revolution fixing spray, we gotta fix everything together. So this is the final look of trying Vanessa Gyimah base and also eyeshadow. I feel like the highlight of this look is the eyeshadow. I don't know what you guys think. Let me know in the comments. But yeah, I absolutely love how she did it. Obviously, I had to go buy pictures. I had to go on different types of videos because most of that video she did of a soft glam look, it was like a really old one. So I didn't want to go with that. I wanted something, because she looks a little different now, I wanted something that's more updated. So yeah, I like her look. It's always glowy, it's always juicy, it's always fire. But let me know what you guys think, and did I nail it? Did I actually try to do? I really like how it came out, you guys. I did my best. Let me know in the comments below. I will see you guys in the next video.